Hi friends and family, welcome back. I know it's been a while since I just saw you in the last Ipsy video, but today we're going to do the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and I hope you're excited to go ahead and get her started. So this month's bag is this beautiful blue bag. It reminds me of a little mini pillowcase. I don't know if you guys have ever tried, but if you go onto Pinterest, because we don't know what we're going to do with all these bags that we get from our subscription, you know, but if you go to Pinterest, they give you a list of, you know, a bunch of ideas on what you could reuse these for, or even in crafts and remake. So I think a little pillow would be awesome with this. Anyway, let's go ahead and actually get started. So this month's theme is dream or something like that. Let me see. Let's pull out. I just want to let you know I had to re-record this video because my 16-year-old, it was a Friday night when I was recording and he was playing his game, and all in the background I was like, yeah, I gotta re-record, this ain't gonna work. But anyway, this is just explaining the Glam Bag X, which I'm really excited for. I did sign up for it. I think it'll be fun for me to do this review because it's a newer subscription and I'm a newer channel, a newer review kind of guy, kind of gal. So I hope you guys will join me for that in February. So that'll be a fun one to unbag. And then we got the little Dream It, and of course the refreshments on the back. This just is like a little, gives you like a little astronomical, or what, astrology sign. Beauty resolutions for your sign. So that's kind of fun. I like things like that. You know I do. So I won't know the prices on this, and my phone is way over there. So I will put them down below as we go along and I edit. And we'll figure out the value along the way. Alright, so the first thing I pull out is this Wonder Beauty lip oil. So this is a really pretty packaging. I like this. I don't have a little thingy to read about what it does or doesn't do. So let's just go with the flow, yo. So it comes with the little applicator, the little wand, and let's put that on. Oh yeah, nice and smooth. Not sure if you can even see that there. So it is a little bit sticky. I have to admit I did put this on last night after I recorded my first round, and I did like it. It did feel very moisturizing and it felt really good, although it felt more like a clear lip gloss, just with some hydration in it. So, you know, there's that. Again, I'll link the price somewhere over here for you guys and gals and gals and guys. Next is this YC Collection Let Me First Primer. So this is a nice size primer. Let's see, benefits. Silicone-free filling primer refines the appearance of pores and smooths the skin, hydrates and brightens the complexion, maintains a matte appearance while ensuring that skin stays moisturized. So I like matte finishes. I'm not too much of the new hype of all that dewy glow stuff. I feel like back in my day when we would go out to the club and stuff, you know, and you come out of a night of having fun, or even if it's not even just a club, but just going out at night and your face kind of has all that oil, that makes me feel like that's somewhere I don't want to be right now in my life. And so I like the matte finish just because that kind of stuff, that's what it reminds me of. Anyway, that was years ago, literally 15-20 years ago. I know. And alright, so enough of my mumbo jumbo. You got this big, nice, oh, it's pooping. It's pooping. That's all right. So it looks like it is a nice, well, it seems like it's just a white clear cream. Glides on nice and smooth. Oh, that smells really good. It has a bit of a perfume scent, but you know, it's not too much. Like I don't think this one would give me a headache. It's very nice, almost fruity. And I could do fruit scent, light fruit scents, because if not, I will get a migraine. I know you can't see it, but it does feel nice and moisturizing. I think I'll probably use this tomorrow if I put makeup on. All right. Oh no! It's making a mess. Like it just spurted out everywhere and it got like all over the lid. So again, I'll put the price somewhere on the screen for this guy. And then we have a Wonder Beauty micro brow pencil in dark brown. So that's a little guy. So anyway, let's go ahead and open her up, see what she do. Yes, it is definitely very micro for sure. I am almost ready to go ahead and start a new eyebrow pencil, so this is nice. I'm happy with that. Let's go ahead and I'm going to put it down here. So it's kind of like any other brow pencil you can expect. Has that waxy consistency that sort of takes a second to get on the skin, but still does a wonderful job. Pretty much, you know, what we can expect from pencil for these type of things. So I'm happy with that. I like this, like 2 Wonder Beauty products in one bag. Like I'm okay with that because I think it's a good brand and I think the variation was nice. They weren't too similar. So I'll put the price somewhere for this as well. All right, then we've got this Kate Somerville goat milk tub of cream. This is a moisturizing cream, I believe. Yeah, moisturizing cream. Use AM and PM. Use twice a day. Apply a thin, even layer on the face and neck. All right, so let's give it a whirl. Has a cap on it. Oh, I could tell it's a little bit, well, it is goat milk, so it is a little bit watery there. I don't want to tip it or anything like I feel like. So let's see. Yeah, see how, like I think a little is going to go a long way. I'm going to kind of put that on my wrist since we used that primer on my hand. So, oh yeah, nice and smooth. You can't really see anything, it's just a clear cream. Doesn't really have a scent. Yeah, it's just kind of a plain scent. Oh look, I'm making a mess of my products today. What the French toast. Alright, so that's nice. You know, I'm all about the hydration. We've got a lot. I'm okay getting these because I feel like we've gotten these in the last 2 months because it is winter, and living in Colorado, I do get eczema really easily under my eyes, and even in the summertime, because we're at such a high dry altitude, that I'm okay, like I can extend these and use these through the summer, because hopefully they're gonna stop giving us these now that we're like spring is around the corner. So I'm okay for now that I've received so many, because I know they'll last me. But hopefully, like I'm good. Like I'm good. Like let's just slow it down a little bit. Like pump the brakes, subscription people. All right, anyway, I'll put a price somewhere. And the last item, which I'm super excited about, and I did already open this up, it's the LaRousse brush set. It comes in this cute little pouch. And it looks to me like it may be biodegradable. Oops, I'm ripping it. Oh! I didn't want to rip it. It's like a little envelope. Too late. Oh well. And it is a 5-piece brush set. So really good value here. I did open these two up. I cheated in my previous video. Such a great quality. I mean, look at that. Perfect. And these, I was looking, are called a denim is the color. And they also have like the little the number and the name of the brush. And look at how cute that design is. Like, these are some good sturdy brushes. And then this is the tapered blending brush. I could have totally used that in today's eye look, but you know, just such a great quality, and you get all 5 of these. And this, I think, here is what makes the bag. Like, I feel like these brushes are so underrated. I see a lot of Facebook groups trying to sell these, and I also see them in a lot of giveaways. And I just think, like, when I got to choose this item, I was so excited. Like, what's that word? I was shook. I was shook, y'all. That's not what I say. Anyway, I was so excited to get these, and I was like, I'm keeping these suckers. Like, I'm excited for these. These, anyway, really good value. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and do a recap. So we got the 5-piece brush set. We got the Wonder Beauty eye pencil, or eyebrow pencil. We got the Wonder Beauty lip oil. Whoops, almost dropped stuff. We got the Let Me First primer, which is really good, and the Kate Somerville goat milk. So all of this for $25. I'll put the value on the screen once I look those up. I think this was a really good bag. I think it was worth the $25. No matter what the value ends up being, like $25. Like, we know this is expensive. We know that these brushes are probably a good price, and then we know Wonder Beauty is, you know, probably $20 an item here, and I'm guessing probably about the same here. So I think it's a good bag. Did you guys like your variation? Are you still getting the Ipsy Glam bag? And have you signed up for Glam Bag X, and are you excited to do our first review with me on our friends and family channel? Anyway, like, comment, and subscribe. I would love for you to hang around, and that way we can start doing giveaways. For now, I hope that you are enjoying the commercial-free videos, because I know I would be. So yeah, we will see you soon. Bye-bye. Thanks, friends.